Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in McKinney, Texas, and we're going to be installing a 75-inch Samsung The Frame TV and using in-ceiling speakers. So here's our room. Originally we were going to do a mantle mount MM750, which you've seen us do a lot on our channel, the 750 and the 860s above this fireplace, and we decided to reorient the room. And we're going to change things up a bit and use a 75-inch Samsung Frame TV on this wall, which will fit nicely between the light switches there. The customer just moved into the home and the previous owner had installed 4 in-ceiling Klipsch speakers. So we're going to utilize that. We're going to use a Sonos Amp in a closet or a cabinet over here. So Charles right now is marking things up. We're going to put the amp and the One Connect box in that cabinet there. So we're going to go ahead, we're marking studs and getting everything ready so we can do our wall plates and run our cables. So as per our usual fashion, just kept working and forgot to record. So we've got our 2 brackets on the wall there and our One Connect cable over here. Charles is working on buttoning that up over here. Let's see if we can get a shot of it. It's hard to see, but there. Buttoning that up. So, hey. So we're buttoning that up now, and we're going to get the TV on the wall and get that set up. All right, so we've got our TV on the wall. Got the TV there. We've got the 4 in-ceiling Klipsch speakers. And we already showed you what's up in the cabinet here, but it's right up there. We'll finish buttoning that up and close the doors. When we come out here, simple as shutting off the TV. And there is our picture. So of course you can go into the SmartThings app and upload your own pictures. You can get pictures from their app store, their photo store, or you can put a thumb drive into the USB port on the One Connect box and install your own pictures. You want to get the TV back or shut it fully down, you can actually hold the button down and it will turn the TV off if you want to be done. And there's various different settings you can have for night mode or timeout or anything like that. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy videos like this or projects with audio, video, networking, automation, whole home audio, anything like that, anything media related, please consider subscribing, show your support for our channel. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos as well and give us a big thumbs up. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas, we can be reached at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We can do full system design. We're authorized dealers for Klipsch, Sonos, all the products you see in our videos here as well. So again, 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Thanks guys.